In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most gracious. Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all to Class 3 English lecture. It is for creative writing. Now we will start with some instructions before we move on. I hope you are ready with your stationery and your notebooks. Kindly pay full attention when you are attending the lecture. Note down all important points. You should have your notebooks, your pencils, erasers with you. And dear parents, make sure that you are supervising your children so that they can understand it and can note it down carefully. I hope all of you are ready, students. Let's start. First of all, we will see what is a paragraph writing. A paragraph is a short piece of composition. It is an expression of your ideas and your thoughts. Whenever you hear some topic or look at that topic, a lot of things comes to your mind. All those things, when we write them down in form of sentences, are called composition, and we call it a paragraph of the topic. So, paragraph writing is sharing your ideas about a topic in written form. Now, here are few points which we have to keep in mind when we are writing a paragraph. First of all, we have to choose our topic very carefully, that if we want to write on some topic, is it that nice topic that we can talk about in detail, we can discuss about its importance or good points or bad points. So a topic should be a topic that can be of good interest, that can interest others when you have written it, and others can enjoy your writing as well as you have enjoyed it when you were writing. To write a good paragraph, we should do brainstorming or make a mind map. It means you have to write down all the points that comes to your mind when you think of the topic. Whatever comes in your mind, do note it down. It is called mind mapping. Then write down all the thoughts and ideas that come to your mind. It does not matter how many ideas, just write them down all. Now arrange them in order. It should be in such an order that it sounds nice when it is read. The language that you use should be clear and easy to understand for others as well. Make sure that you do not make spelling mistakes or you do not make punctuation mistakes like full stops or capital marks. You should not mix your capital letters and your punctuation marks. Be careful about your sentences. Make sure you write small, nice, good sentences. The content, that means the material that you will present in your paragraph or your ideas that you will express in your paragraph should be of good quality. It should not be like that you are repeating the same idea again and again, like you say that my house is very big or my house is very spacious, I have a large house. So avoid repetition of same idea. Use new ideas and use a lot of ideas to discuss the topic so that the person who is reading your paragraph can also enjoy it and have some interest in it. So students, you must have got an idea what are the points that we need to keep in mind when we are writing some paragraph. So this is a topic, my school, and the word bank is provided. So we will work according to the points that we have discussed. First of all, look at the word bank that is provided. Now, according to this topic, these are few of the ideas that come to my mind, and I have made my mind map according to this topic. My school, big and famous, situated, large building, green trees, library, playground, helpful, moral values, enjoy. You may think of other words as well. You may talk about other ideas, but this is what I have just thought about it. So now let's see how to use these ideas to write a paragraph about my school. Now for this thing, now how I'm going to discuss these ideas into sentences in my paragraph. First of all, when you think of my school, the name of your school comes to your mind. Then you think of where it is situated, where it is located, which area, which city, which town. Then you can tell about how big is it, how many teachers work there, how do they teach you. Next is, how many classrooms do you have? What about the school campus? Do you like it? It's big, small, building style, grounds and lawns and everything. How does it look like? Nice, clean, dark, untidy, tidy. So all of these things we can discuss in this. And finally, you can talk about how do you feel being there? Happy, enjoyable. That's all you can share at the end. So according to brainstorms, the points will be like, if I answer all these questions according to my topic, so this will be the list of my points. School name, Divisional Public School, Model Town Lahore. It's quite large building, very helpful and supportive teachers, spacious and airy classrooms, surrounded by green trees. Enjoy studying there. Now, according to the points that we need for brainstorming, I have written the ideas in this form. Now we will see how we can use them in sentences and make a full paragraph. My school. My school is a very big and famous school. Its name is Divisional Public School. It is situated in Model Town, Lahore. The building of my school is quite large and is surrounded by green trees. The classrooms are very spacious and airy. We also have a library and a big playground. The teachers are very helpful and supportive. They help us grow and learn better. We also learn moral values in our school. In short, my school is the best school. I enjoy studying there. This is just a sample essay and paragraph on this topic. You can write your own paragraph and share it with us in the comment box. You have the word bank, use them. You can add more ideas in it. And if you want to talk about other things of your school, you can also do that. I hope you have gathered some idea how to write a paragraph on a topic. Now, here's your assignment. It is to write a paragraph on a visit to a park. Again, in the red box, you can see I have written about the ideas on the topic: big, grassy plot, colorful flowers and flower beds. Flower bed means the lanes that you can see in the parks and ground where flowers are growing together. They are called flower beds. Jogging track, took swings, did boating, enjoyed snacks, played badminton. So you can start your paragraph like, last Sunday, I went to a park with my family. My father bought tickets and we entered the park. Then you can use all these red box ideas to talk about the visit. And in the end, you can finish it like, in the evening, we were tired and came back to home. I enjoyed a lot in the park. Make sure, students, that you use second form of verb in this paragraph because it is about the visit that you have already gone to. So you have to share your memory about the visit. So you will use second form and that will be past tense. I hope you will write a very nice paragraph on it. Do share it with us in the comment box. And if you have questions, if you want to ask something about this, and if you are still confused about something, you are always welcome to ask questions in the comment box. Inshallah, you will get your replies. Keep practicing, take care, and keep learning on daily basis so that you can learn well. Allah Hafiz.